a camper, either like literal tent camping or RV camping, or if you were a Girl Scout or a Boy Scout or any of those kind of scouty kind of things, and you probably have heard of foil packet meals. And it is kind of all of the keto rage. I've had several people ask about doing foil packet meals, and so I'm going to show you a foil packet meal today that you can do in your oven. So come on along and lean and green with me. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elizabeth and I am living in the light by documenting my weight loss journey to lose 150 pounds using Optavia's 5-in-1 program. As part of the 5-in-1 program, I get to eat one lean and green meal every day that consists of 5 to 7 ounces of lean protein and 3 servings of non-starchy vegetables, along with some condiments, and in the case of shrimp and some other leans, you actually get to add some healthy fat to that as well. And so that's what I'm going to be sharing with you today. I will say that I did a real bonehead move a moment ago and went through most of this recipe and didn't realize that I wasn't recording. So a lot of this stuff I've already mixed up, but I want you to see this recipe because it is so good. So I am making 2 foil packets. Each one of them has in it a 1/2 pound of large shrimp that is peeled and deveined. So these are my bowls that are already ready, but so I'll tell you what's in them. 1 pound divided evenly among the 2 bowls. I have 270 grams of zucchini that I just thinly sliced, and I divided that equally between the 2 bowls. I have 234 grams of just cut up fresh white mushrooms. You can choose your mushroom of choice, but that's in there. I also do a teaspoon of garlic in each of my bowls. That is 1 garlic clove minced in each one. So I've got a condiment for that. 2 teaspoons of lemon juice in each, so each one has a condiment with lemon juice. And my final condiment is going to be some Parmesan cheese, but I'm gonna add this when I eat it, and I can have 2 tablespoons of this Parmesan cheese and count that as a condiment. So that's what I'm going to do. So I've already combined all of my ingredients. I have my oven preheating to 400. Let me show you how to put the foil packets together. This is super simple. Since I've already mixed everything all together, all I'm going to do is just dump my shrimp and vegetables onto my piece of foil. It's got the lemon juice already in there, the garlic, everything is all together. And then for my healthy fats, I get 2 healthy fats with shrimp. And in this case, I am doing butter, and you can have 1/2 tablespoon of butter per healthy fat. And so I took 1 tablespoon and I cut it in half, and that is my 2 healthy fats. So 2 1/2 tablespoons. I'm just gonna fold up that side, fold up this side. And then move on to my next one. Just repeat the same procedure. So these go on my sheet pan, and I'm gonna put these in the oven for 15 minutes. That's all that it takes. And that's the reason why I cut the zucchini thin, so that it would cook well in that amount of time. You don't wanna overcook the shrimp, and you don't wanna undercook your vegetables. So these are gonna go in the oven for 15 minutes at 400 degrees, and then I will be back to show you what they look like. This one's gonna be so easy to edit. I gotta be careful not to touch this pan because they are super hot. But the shrimp is perfectly cooked. The zucchini is soft. This is going to make a delicious lean and green. I'm going to plate this up so that you can see what it's supposed to look like. And I hope that you'll give it a try. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really does help my channel. When people will like my videos, it helps my videos to be seen. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would invite you to do that. I post lots of healthy lean and green recipes like this. I also post Fun with Fuelings videos and lots of other weight loss tips and tricks videos, as well as my weekly reality check, where I check in with you and let you know how I did as far as weight loss and inches go from week to week. So I hope you'll check those out as well and share my videos with other people. Leave me comments in the comments box down below. What lean and green recipes would you like me to try? Until I see you next time, please live in the light.